This is the Gerber MP600 ST Multi-Tool. Pretty cool tool. It has everything you would expect from a multi-tool. What I like particularly about this is that it has a replaceable and rotatable wire cutter insert. In its expanded condition, we have a lockable knife with a straight blade and serration on it. It has 3 different flathead screwdrivers, one of which is a bottle opener. And a carbon scraper. On the other side, we have a lanyard loop, we have a can opener. Most importantly, we have an M4 M16 sight tool and a Phillips screwdriver. We also have a scale on the side in inches. This tool is standard issue to the US military, made out of stainless steel, black oxide, and comes in a very nice black or tan pouch. This is the Gerber MP600 ST Multi-Tool.
Panteo.